Hey guys, welcome back to Ledford. I'm Serein and I just finished an insane hard gym booty workout. Now normally we like to do things for you that you can do at home and that is relatively a beginner workout, but I also get a lot of questions about what I personally do, and I know a lot of you guys are already on your fitness journey and are looking for a little bit of a challenge. So every so often I'm going to share with you my gym workout routine, and since we're about that time where my body's somewhat adapted to my current workout routine, we are going to be changing it up next week. So I thought before we change it up that I wanted to share with you what we've been working on for my booty. Everything is going to be 3 sets of 15 reps. You want to make sure to stretch afterwards. I will be creating a upper body and a lower body stretch routine to do to cool down and to make sure that you're making sure you're elongating your muscles and to work on your flexibility, which is also important as we age. So without further ado, here's a booty burning gym workout. Before we get into the full workout, we're going to want to activate those glutes. So you can use any glute activating exercises you want. Today I'm just doing side squat steps with a resistance band. And when you do these, if you choose to do these, kind of turn your knee slightly out and step a little bit with your heels turned out. This will activate your glutes a little bit more, and you want to do maybe 2 sets of 15 or 3 sets of 15 depending on your fitness level. And then I'm just going to be doing kickbacks with the resistance band as well here. And like I mentioned, you can do anything that's going to activate your glutes. The glutes are pretty large in terms of a muscle group, and you do typically need to warm them up and really engage them before building them up with some weight training. So with this, I always want to make sure I'm extending my leg and energy through the heel. You should be feeling your booties during this exercise. Side leg lifts with a weight. Now, if you place the weight where you typically would experience what they call hip dips, this will help work your glutes in a way to minimize hip dips. I'm using about a 25-pound weight. You can start as little or as heavy as you wish, but you want to be able to complete all 3 sets and reps of 15. With this exercise, make sure you're extending your working leg, energy through the heel. Don't lock your knee, but really feel the back of your glutes all the way through your hamstring, all the way through your calf. This is really important to really engage the correct muscles. Then we're moving right along into hip thrusts. You'll notice I actually went lighter on weights than I've done in the past for this exercise because I had a tendency of overextending my back, and that's something I find I do pretty often. So you'll see that I'm really focused on using my glutes to hip thrust. This should all be in the hips. I shouldn't be rocking on the bench. My shoulders should stay put and everything should be in the booty. So this is going to target your booty, and you might feel a little bit of this in your quads, but for me, I need to go lighter to have proper form. So don't be afraid to go light. Now we're moving into the Smith Machine donkey kickbacks. These are brutal because of the resistance, and then I added 10-pound weights on each side. So you're going to want to make sure that your working leg stays in a 90-degree angle and that you are energy through the heel. Again, this helps activate the glute muscle, and you want to make sure that you're keeping the muscle contracted pretty much the entire exercise. And you're going to move right into the other side. Something that's key to this entire workout routine is that you should be moving through everything pretty quickly with very minimal rest. I barely rested in between sets, and I only rested enough to set up for the next exercise. This is really important to get your heart rate up, also to fatigue those muscles and make sure that you're building on these muscles. Now, because we are doing reps of 15 and 3 reps total of each exercise, don't worry about bulking. To find the correct weight, you want to make sure you can finish all of the exercises, but also struggle to finish the last set of 15 reps. So you should be able to do it all, but it should be difficult. As you can tell, I'm losing it there. And then this exercise is the Froggy. I just call it that. you're going to essentially lay on an exercise ball. You could do this on the ground as well, but this gives you a little bit more leverage. You want to keep your upper body straight, and you want to lift your glutes using the glutes. This really targets that top part of the glute, which gives you a rounder, fuller bum. It's also really important for your lower back if you need lower back strength. Then the final exercise is the hamstring machine. Now the hamstrings are a part of the glute area, and I was struggling for whatever reason, probably because I was trying to film and everything and didn't take as many breaks. But this is where you want to really focus and make sure that your back is flat against the bench, as well as making sure that you're keeping your muscles contracted. You'll see that I barely fully extend my legs. I do extend, but I don't let it kind of pop up. You want to have control over the machine at all times. If you have to go lighter, go lighter. There's nothing wrong with that. And this is a great way to work the entire back of your legs, your hamstrings essentially, which is also really important for your glutes. Now the glutes are incredibly important if you deal with low back pain like I do. Working your glutes will strengthen your lower back, and not to mention you want a round, even booty. You don't want a pancake booty. And this is really all we're gonna do for this routine. Okay, so I actually just finished that booty workout and I'm sweaty, and let me tell you, trying to film yourself at the gym is really hard. So Chris was doing his own workout routine and I was doing my own, and it's because we've been doing this one pretty consistently for the last few weeks. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I will be switching up my workout because your body does become stronger and adapt to your workout routines. So if you've been doing something pretty consistently, either up your reps, up your weight, and if you feel like you're hitting a plateau, change things up. So Chris has noticed that I'm getting very strong in my current workout routine, so we're going to be changing things up. There's also certain things that my goals have shifted because we've reached some of my goals, and we're constantly changing my workout and making sure that I'm becoming stronger and more agile and more flexible and just better as I age, because I'm a klutz and we don't want me to hurt myself. If you guys are curious about other workouts, make sure you check out our playlist. We have a ton of at-home workout routines, but I know a lot of you guys are already pretty efficient in your own current workout, and hopefully this gym workout gave you a little bit of a boost, some ideas, and maybe some motivation. Maybe you're just sitting at home and you need someone to motivate you. That's what we're here for. So make sure you're subscribed, and don't forget to tune in every week for like 3 new videos. We're also going to be doing Fitmas this December with lots of giveaways. So make sure you're subscribed. Go over to our Instagram account, which is linked in the description box. It's ledfit.official on Instagram. We show you our weekly workout routines at the gym. We also save them and highlight them for you in case you need a little on-the-go inspo. And of course, we always update you guys over there. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back in our next video. Bye!